welcome back to Shiza's Playroom. I'm going to read you a story called A Team of Fish. Fish swim in lakes and creeks. Fish swim in deep blue seas or oceans. Let's dive into the water. Let's look at fish. Fish can swim alone. Fish can swim with a partner. Fish can swim in a bunch, too. A bunch of fish is called a school. A school has lots of fish. They are a team. The fish help each other. They look for food together. Fish eat lots of things. Some fish eat small animals. Some fish eat other fish. These catfish eat together for safety. It can be unsafe to swim alone. What is the chief reason? Danger! A fish can get snapped up, but a fish can hide in a school. Fish in a school have a neat trick. The fish swim close together. Big fish will not mess with them because they look like one huge fish. This big fish wants to eat, but it stays away from the school. Looks like a huge fish that may eat him. Fish in a school keep each other safe. A school is a good place for a fish to be. The end. I hope you like this story called A Team of Fish. Bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and give a big thumbs up if you like.